Hello everyone, welcome to Kodular app development. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to make a one-time login page using a Firebase database. So you need to just make a register page and one-time login, guys. There will be no login at all. There will be only register page. After registering, OTP verification. After OTP verification, directly you will go to home page. No need of login such things. So let's get started by this video. So this is my app and this is my screen. Don't worry, my screen is very empty. I just disabled all the arrangements. I made visible unchecked. So my registered arrangement, that's a vertical arrangement, guys, and I took a vertical scroll arrangement. Inside that I took a vertical arrangement for named register, and I took some components like decoration, notifier, Firebase, web, and TimeDB. These are some of the things we need to do for login, guys. So let's get started. Before this, I'm just going to check this visible register. So this is a registration form, guys. This is, I just copied a label here, register, and I gave a spacing with the label, guys. This is a label spacing. You can see I'll open this arrangement. I always use labels for spacing, guys. It will be a better look regarding the space. I mean, if you can use space also, but I use labels mostly, so that's my problem. So don't mind, you can use space also. So this is the text box one. This text box I have gave some parameters here. This is font size is 16, height is 8, width is 70, and hint is email address, and input type email. You can find this email, it will be 4, so just give it input type as 4. Sorry. After that I just text aligned as a center. So this is the format I followed for every text box, guys. So this is a text box for hint is mobile number, and this is a text box for password, and this is a text box for confirm password. So this is a small login registration page, guys. After that you need to send a OTP. I kept a button for send OTP. After that, sending after OTP, there is a OTP block. It will be not visible just right now. I make visible unchecked. So I'll just show you once. This OTP block consists of one text box and a label for space and a register button. So this text box contains enter OTP. You need to enter your OTP here and click on register button. So this is the designer part. I will just uncheck these blocks again. So that's it, guys. This is the one screen, guys. This is screen 1 for registration, and I have made a again screen called as home screen, second screen. So in this I just kept a label with the home screen. That's it. To know that's the home screen, I kept this label. So that's it, guys. So major part is on screen 1 only. There is no screen 2 blocks. See, there are no blocks there, everything is empty here. So let's go to screen 1 blocks. So coming to screen 1, coming to first part, screen initialize, leave this block, guys. Leave this if and else block. Firstly we need to decorate these components. I use this decoration component here. I took this decoration set shape component, background color and border color is round. So I placed all the components here: text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4, and text box 7. Actually previously I have added this some text box and deleted, that's why it is text box 7. Don't worry, guys. So this is text box 7. I have added a background color as white and border is blue, and sorry, it is not blue, it is indigo. Is round is true. I make the text box edges as a round. It will be a round text box. So that's the decoration part. Coming to screen initialize, we'll talk about this if then and else later. So next, coming to send OTP button. Send OTP. For sending OTP, first we need to check all the blocks are not empty. If they are empty, then you need to show a alert. Please fill the above details. If text box 1, 2, 3, 4 are empty, then you need to show a alert called please fill the above details. And second, else if condition comes, if the password block, and this is text box 4, this is confirm password. So if these are equal, then it should go to else. If they are not equal, it should show mismatch password field. So after that, coming to else part, if text box 1 in the sense it's email address, if email address contains a piece @gmail.com, then you need to, it will go to next part, otherwise it will show alert please enter a valid Gmail account. And this is one security measure, so it will be like the user entering a valid email address or not. So next, coming to length, we are taking a mobile number. In India it should be around 10 digits of mobile number, so you can change the digits, guys. If you have any other countries numbers, you can keep your digits like that. In India it is 10. So I kept the length of the text box of mobile number greater than or less than 10 as a condition. If these both conditions are true, then it will give a please enter a valid mobile number. If it is equal to 10 digits, it will go to else part, otherwise it will throw a alert notifier. So next, coming to OTP label, I kept a OTP label here. This is called as OTP label. I'm generating this random number here. I'm just generating a random number, 6-digit random number, and storing this in this OTP label. After that, coming to, this is a small script, guys. I'll just show you what is a script for sending OTP to email. I just kept a global variable called as script, and this is the script link, guys. I will just show you. For that, you need to go to script.google.com. So after going to script.google.com, I have already 2 scripts. Let's make a new project, guys. So I am making a new project for you guys for script. I'm just showing you one script. This is the script, guys. Function, from function to this closed flower parenthesis. So this is the script, guys. I just copy paste this script. I'll just explain you what is the script inside. This is a function, guys, and this is the recipient email address, and we need to take the recipient email address from here, and this is the subject of the email, and this is the body of the email, and this is the function for sending email. So this is script, guys. I'm just copy pasting this script here. I'll just give this script in the description below, so please you can download that from description. So this is a script, guys. I am just entering a project name, email sending script. I just added and renamed the project, guys. I am just saving my project. Project is renamed and script is also saved. So for that you need to give some permissions. You need to deploy this script. I am clicking on a new deployment. So here you need to select the configuration, what type of deployment you need to give. I am creating a web app. So after this you need to give a description, otherwise you can skip it. I am giving email sending script just for a, it's optional guys, you can give or not, don't give, no problem, it will be a no problem. So here execute as my email id, and who can access, I am giving as anyone, so anyone who uses my app can access this script. So this is how it goes. I'm clicking on deploy. It will take a few minutes guys, just relax and sit back and relax. So now it will go to authorize page. You need to click on authorize access and click on your email id. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to mention something. This is a security alert guys. This is not a problem. You need to go to your Google Gmail settings and you need to uncheck the switch for security. I didn't uncheck, that's why it is showing the alert. So I'm clicking to advanced and I'm allowing the permissions. It's just a security guys. If you are making this app, then it's no problem. So everything is done guys, and I just need to copy this URL, and coming to his, I just initialize the script and place that URL here. So this is the global URL, so everyone can send their messages. Okay, so this is the global script. I just called the web URL. I took a web component here, and from the web component I dragged this web URL and added that global script. You can see this global script in the variables get and global script. You can add this here. So after that, this is a web post text guys. First you need to give some format. We have the three formats, right? Recipient, subject and body. So for that, recipient equals to text box 1. Text box 1 in the sense email id, email address of the user, and subject. What is the subject you want to give? Subject will be same guys. There will be no problem. You can give any subject. I gave one-time password for your login, your app name. App name means I will put my app name there. You can put your app name there, and body equals to, I just took a join block here from text. This is a join block guys. I just added some strings below around 8 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, around 10 strings guys. Yeah, 10 strings guys, around 10 strings I have added, and hi, and this is slash and gives a new line guys. Slash and in the sense new line. So it will, after hi it will go to next line and it will go to next line. I give two spacings, and after that I gave a one-time login password. I mean one-time password for your login is, I just added this OTP label. I just created a random number here guys with this OTP text. So I just pasted this text here. I kept this OTP label block text here. After that I gave two slashes for two new lines, and after that thanks, and after that it will go to new line, and after that it will give us support team. You can give any name guys, your app name or something in the support team, no issues. After that I gave a notifier, show alert OTP sent successfully. After that I opened this OTP block. There is a OTP block in register form guys. This OTP block, it is visible. It contains one text box and one register button. So I just make that visible here. After that, coming to registration button. So after clicking registration button, if text box 7 in the sense, this is OTP block statement. This is OTP block statement for verification of the OTP. We need to enter OTP in text box 7. This text box 7 we need to enter. If that is empty, we need to give please enter OTP to register. Next, coming to this text box 7 not equals to OTP label. Oh, I just forgot to mention one thing. This OTP label also I made it invisible, guys. It is not visible component. I just made invisible so no one can see the OTP. That's it. So the text box 7, you are entering the OTP in text box 7 and it will compare from the OTP label, and it will compare. If it is not equal, then it gives OTP didn't match, try again. If it is equal, then it will go to else part and give and stores the values in Firebase and TinyDB. So this is a thing, guys, and I will open my Firebase. This is a test database I have made in Firebase. So this is the test database, guys. I have made this test database here, and this is the Firebase. We are storing the email, mobile number and password, and in TinyDB also we are storing email and password. This is for single login, guys. For one-time login. For one-time login, we need to store the values in TinyDB. After that, we need to give registration successful and close this register block and OTP block and open home screen. After registration, it will directly open the home screen. So coming to here, why I kept screen 1 initialize this if then an else component. So we are storing the value in TinyDB, right? So when screen initializes on next login, it will go here and it will check the email ID is empty or not. If it is not empty, if it stores any value TinyDB, then it will directly go to home page. If it does not have any value, thus TinyDB is empty, then it will go to register again value. So if you once registered, your email ID will be stored in TinyDB. So when you log in, when you open your app again, screen 1 will initialize and it will directly redirect you to home page since your email ID is not empty. So this is how I kept, guys. So this is one-time login, guys. Every time if you uninstall your app and install your app or clear your data of your app, then everything will be gone. You need to register again and you need to, so data, everything will be gone, right? So TinyDB values will be also gone if you clear your data or uninstall your app. So you need to register again. So I will just if anyone have any Firebase doubts, I have made a separate video for Firebase also, guys, for real-time database. You can check that link also in description. So if you have any Firebase doubts, you can directly view that video. I'm not going to tell anything about Firebase in this video. So let's test this app. I just use my companion. I just use BlueStacks, guys, for testing my apps. It's a good emulator, guys. You can use it. If your RAM is slow, then you can use a mobile phone or anything. I'm just testing my app. Let's wait for a second. So guys, I got the register screen. In that I will give my email address. See, I gave my email address. First check, wait, first we'll check. I just giving only just number, and let's check. I'm not giving any value. I'm just clicking OK. So please fill the about details. First error is this. So I'm giving my email, and okay, everything is done. So I gave my email ID. I didn't give @gmail.com. Let us see. Please enter a valid Gmail account. So I'm giving @gmail.com, and for next error I'm removing 10 here. It is 9 digits, guys. So let's test it. Please enter a valid mobile number. So it is 9 digits, so I will give 1. It's make 10. Let's test 11 digits, guys. I gave 11 digit. So again it is showing invalid number, so I will give 10 digits. So I gave Nikhil as a password, right? So let us see. I just removed one thing. Let us mismatch password fields. Every error is correct, guys, and this is okay. Everything is okay. Let's check this also. Mismatch password field. Okay. Every notifiers are all working fine, guys. Let's send OTP and verify. OTP sent successfully. Let us see. Yes, yeah, I got my OTP. See this 581459 581459 1459, right? 457 I will type, right? OTP didn't match, please try again. So we'll keep 9. Okay, and click on register. Registration successful, and this is the home screen. So let's close this. Otherwise, let's refresh this companion and see. It is directly going to home screen. I cannot able to show you guys. Let's see. Let's refresh, right? Let's reset and try to log in again. I just resetted my companion here, so everything is okay, and I'm just connecting again. It should directly log in now. It should directly go to home screen. PDUYES. Now it should directly go to login page. Let us see. Yeah, it directly went to home screen. This is a one-time login, guys. Once you register and OTP verify, it will directly take you to the home screen. So if you uninstall this app or delete the app data, then you need to register again. So this is what one-time login is. And let's check the Firebase also. This is the data we gave. This is a test database. This is my email ID. Since Firebase didn't accept @ and everything, I just cropped this here. I didn't showed you like that, right? Just option. Let's reset this. It's going to home screen. I just cropped this gmail.com here. Sorry, not here. Yeah, Firebase bucket. Here I have replaced the segment of this Firebase bucket for textbox1. Textbox1 we gave @gmail.com, and Firebase will not accept @, so I replaced the segment @gmail.com with this empty block. So it will feed as only email address. It will not take @gmail.com. So every email address is unique. So you can save only the tag name. So that will be okay. @gmail.com is not required. Only that previous @gmail.com, that tag name is okay for you. I am storing email address also for my verification. So this is the full email address, and this is my mobile, and this is my password. So this is how we can do. So hope everyone liked this video, and you can keep more features like forget password and get this password from here, and you can give to the user as a password like that. So this is the video, guys. So if you like this video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to share with your friends this video, you can share with your friends and developers also. So thank you guys for wonderful evening. Bye bye.